linear inequality. There are 4 types of inequality symbols. We have our less than and less than or equal to, and our greater than and greater than or equal to. The couple rules we have to remember when solving. If it's a less than symbol or greater than symbol, we will use an open circle. If it's an or equal to, whether less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, we will have a closed circle. We are looking for the solutions to x, and in an inequality, there can be an infinite amount. Given an example, 2x minus 1 is greater than 9. I would solve this linear inequality just like I would an equation. I am going to add 1 to each side, giving me 2x is greater than 10. I then divide by 2, and I get x is greater than 5. The second part of a linear inequality is graphing the solution on a number line. So here we have a portion of a number line, and we have this inequality to graph. X is greater than 5. So I put 5 somewhere near the middle, and maybe you want to put a couple more numbers on your number line. So if I'm creating my number line, it goes 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right, 4, 3, 2 to my left. Notice here going in order from least to greatest. So x is greater than 5. It's a greater than symbol, so I know at 5 I am going to use an open circle because 5 is not included in my solution set. And where x is greater than 5. So I look, is the greater than value is going to be to the right or to the left? Well, all of the numbers that are greater than 5 are to the right. So I would shade in to the right here, seeing that x then, any of these answers would work. 8 is greater than 5. If I was to pick a number and put it in, such like 10, 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 1, 19. Is 19 greater than 9? Yes, it is. True statement. Let's look at another example. Let's look at negative 4 times the quantity x minus 2 is less than or equal to 16. So in this case, we have 2 options here to solve. We could always distribute my 4 in, and maybe we want to solve that way. So let's distribute. I get negative 4x plus 8 is less than or equal to 16. I'm then going to subtract 8 from each side, and I get negative 4x is less than or equal to 16 minus 8 is 8. Now here's one important thing we have to remember when we are solving linear inequalities. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, so in this case, I have to divide by that negative 4, my inequality symbol is going to switch. So now this becomes x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. And because I divided by that negative 4, my less than symbol changed to a greater than symbol. And it's still or equal to. So let me erase my number line here to show you how we would then graph this solution. X is greater than or equal to negative 2. So I'm going to put negative 2 on my number line. 1 more is negative 1, 0, 1. These are all my values greater than negative 2. And here's all my values less than negative 2 to the left. It is an or equal to symbol, so I'm going to put a closed dot on the negative 2, meaning negative 2 is part of my solution set. And then again, I'm going to shade all the values that are greater. So again, it's to the right.